Good morning, Brendan.
Good morning.
How are you? I love you, puppy.
I love you, Mommy.
You gonna go to school now?
Uh-uh.
You have to go to school.
Uh,
Yeah.
No.
Yes, you're going on the school bus.
No, I don't want to go up the school bus.
Not again, I missed the bus. Why is waking up so hard? Brave brain, help me out. Sun peeking in, my blanket's tight. Eyes won't open, lost the fight. Mom's yelling go, but I hit snooze. 5 more minutes, I always lose. Bag not packed, shoes on the floor. Can't find my homework, where's the door? Buzzer blares, bus pulls away, and I'm home in my jammies, feeling great. I got the snooze button blues, it's a Monday mood. Didn't plan, didn't prep, now I'm missing my groove. Brave brain says prep the night before. Pack your dreams, leave stress at the door. No more running late, no more scrambled shoes. I'm done with the snooze button blues. Missed the bus again, and it ain't cute. Feeling like a turtle in a tracksuit. Breakfast? Nah, I forgot to chew. Just brush my teeth with shampoo, ew. But brave brain rolls in with a plan so tight. Let's build a routine to sleep just right. Backpack packed, timer set. Tomorrow's win, place your bet. All I got the snooze button blues, it's a Tuesday truth. Dreaming through alarms like I lost a tooth. Brave brain says make it small and sweet. Lay your clothes out, prep your beat. No more wild mornings, no more missed cues. Say goodbye to the snooze button blues. Set the clock, brush it off. Nighttime checklist saves the cost. Sleep equals strength, that's the rule. Brave brain wakes up feeling cool. No more snooze button blues, I'm on my way. Early bird vibes at the break of day. Brave brain's got me, shoes all tied. Ready for school with a smile and pride. No more missing buses, no more excuse. I broke free from the snooze button blues. I didn't just get up, I showed up. That's brave brain power.